Understanding Defender of the Week, a guide to noble phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that carries a lot of weight and nobility. Defender of the Weak. This expression is not just about the words themselves, but about the powerful idea they represent. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your daily English communication. Stay with us to become more fluent and expressive in English. The phrase, Defender of the Weak, is made up of two key components: defender and the weak. A defender is someone who protects others from harm, danger, or any form of aggression. It implies courage, strength, and a sense of duty towards the protection of others. On the other hand, the weak refers to individuals or groups who are vulnerable, less powerful, or in need of support and protection. They might be physically weak, socially disadvantaged, or otherwise unable to defend themselves. Being called a defender of the weak is a high honor. It suggests that a person doesn't just stand by in the face of injustice or bullying but takes action to protect those who cannot protect themselves. This phrase embodies the virtues of compassion, bravery, and selflessness. It is often used to describe heroes, both in real life and in fiction, who stand up for justice and support the underdog. Throughout literature and history, there are countless examples of characters and real-life figures described as defenders of the weak. From knights in shining armor to modern-day activists and philanthropists, these individuals are celebrated for their commitment to protecting and uplifting those in need. Discussing these examples can help learners understand the context and the profound respect associated with this title. Incorporating the phrase, Defender of the Weak, into your English vocabulary can add depth to your conversations. You might use it to compliment someone who stands up for others, to describe characters in a story, or to discuss historical figures known for their protective roles. It's a powerful way to acknowledge acts of kindness and courage in protecting the vulnerable. The phrase, Defender of the Weak, carries with it ideals of heroism, kindness, and moral integrity. Understanding and using such expressions can enrich your English communication, allowing you to convey profound respect and admiration for noble actions. We hope this exploration inspires you to not only learn more about the English language but also to appreciate the values it can express. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.